Hello guys, and today is Gobble Truck Day. Gobble Truck Day. Gobble Truck Day. Gobble Truck Day, and today is the Green Waste, the first, 2401, and it's a different driver. I do not know where's Anthony. Hi, you're a floater today, helping out the Green Waste.
Yeah.
Early today.
I know, there's not that much.
Yeah.
I think that's the rain.
Yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah. All right, bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, buddy.
Bye guys, see you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.